फैशन इज एन एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ योर पर्सनालिटी। फैशन सिर्फ आपकी ब्यूटी को ही नहीं बट आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को भी इन्हांस करता है। हाय, आई एम वैदिका सरवानी। वेलकम टू माय शो मी एंड मेंटोर्स। और आज फैशन रिलेटेड ही मैंने स्पेशल गेस्ट को इनवाइट किया है जो एक फैशन डिजाइनर है एंड पुणे वॉरियर्स टेनिस टीम की ओनर भी है। प्लीज वेलकम अ वुमन विद ब्यूटी एंड ब्रेन, मिसेस टीना रंका।
She's been awarded as the most promising designer, best celebrity designer, and Bharat Icon Award. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome on stage designer Tina Ranka. Tina Ranka is one of the most promising designers of our country. Worked with many celebrities.
Hi Tina ji.
Hi,
It's
Deepa.
it's a great pleasure to have you on my show.
Thank you
And
so
first
much.
of all, I would like to say you are looking absolutely gorgeous, as always. टीना जी, आज आप इतने बड़े सक्सेसफुल डिज़ाइनर बन गए हैं। आपने बहुत बड़े बड़े फैशन शोज़ किए हुए हैं, वर्ल्ड वाइड एग्जीबिशंस भी कर रहे हैं एंड बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स भी विन किए हैं। तो ये जो आपकी डिज़ाइनिंग की जर्नी है उसके बारे में हमें बताइए।
तो ये जर्नी मेरा स्टार्ट होता है like 4 years back. I've started my journey with a show, like it was in Dubai. Or yeah, that was fantastic, and I got really great response from there. And then just I started like once I was back from Dubai, I started my career, because before that I was taking it very lightly. I mean, I was thinking कि ठीक है थोड़ा बहुत करके, and
Yeah.
just good time, like I was spending good time in this thing. But after Dubai show, I have taken it really seriously, and I've started working.
ओके, सो है ना टीना जी, आपने इसको बिगिन कैसे किया? मतलब डिज़ाइनिंग फील्ड आपने स्टार्ट कैसे की थी?
It's been 15-16 years now, because जब शादी हुआ था, after my uh, marriage, I shifted to Surat, and then I was supposed to do something else, but destiny is always like that drags you wherever you are destined.
Yeah.
So बस 1 year का बेसिक कोर्स किया, बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी फ्री दैट टाइम, तो सोचा कि लेट्स डू समथिंग, तो वहाँ शुरू किया. बट व्हेन आई वॉज डूइंग दैट कोर्स, I realized like I have good inclination and a good grip and a good creativity, imagination power is there. And then Tanushi
Yeah.
Datta there, she came to our institution. So
Okay.
she told me कि Tina, you are really good at it and you can pursue your career in this. But I took it very lightly, because I was like, okay, ठीक है, हाँ, because I was knowing I'm just doing it for the time pass.
Yeah.
And yeah, after finishing this thing, I got very good percentile, and so I was like happy. But still there was no plans to start designing. And then I started just doing things for my cousins, my friends, as everybody starts, right?
Yeah.
So I started just like that, and like gradually people started liking my collection, people started liking my choices, color combination and everything. And then that gave me good boost. But again, my kids were there, like I delivered 2 kids, so
Yeah.
I was really kids. And then once they were settled, I mean, now they are settled, they are studying in hostel. So
Yeah.
after putting them in hostel, I thought like, why not concentrate on this thing. Then I
Yeah.
started. Yeah.
ओके। एंड टीना जी, मैं ये भी जानना चाहूंगी कि कितना इम्पोर्टेंट लगता है फॉर वुमेन्स के लिए टू वेयर अकॉर्डिंग टू फैशन ट्रेंड्स?
See, for me, I never follow any trend. Frankly speaking, like
Yeah.
it just comes to my heart. But yeah,
Yeah.
like seasons can affect, you know. So according to trend, if female are like, they are not up to mark, I mean they are not well dressed, or they are not following the color scheme, I mean whatever, sometimes
Yeah,
they feel, I mean I don't feel so, but they do feel little underconfident. And
yeah,
but I feel that's really okay to wear whatever you are comfortable in. And
definitely.
need to go every time with the trend, it is
Yeah,
really okay to be in your taste or in your zone. It is really okay if you are comfortable. See, outfit, any outfit, even I mean biggest designer of India, like if you're wearing anyone's outfit, until and
yeah,
unless you're comfortable, I don't think that can grace you, so it's
definitely,
you
definitely.
added grace to an outfit.
Yeah,
So you wear whatever you are like feeling fine and you are comfortable in.
definitely, of course. तो आपके हिसाब से ये फैशन ट्रेंड्स कैसे बनते हैं? Who decided?
सी फोरकास्ट होता है, ये सारी चीजें फोरकास्टिंग होती है, लाइक
Yeah,
सपोज विंटर सीजन है तो विंटर सीजन के लिए फोरकास्टिंग समर्स में ही हो जाएगा। तो
yeah,
बड़े बड़े जो फॉरेन कंट्रीज के हैं या इंडिया के जो बड़े डिजाइनर्स हैं, मेनली लाइक इंडियन डिजाइनर्स भी फॉलो करते हैं फॉरेन डिजाइनर्स के ट्रेंड्स को, आई
yeah,
मीन जो ट्रेंड सेट करते हैं, तो
yeah,
मैक्सिमम होता है। फॉर मी लाइक ट्रेंड सेट करना इज नॉट दैट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मी, बिकॉज मेरे लिए ऐसा होता है कि बिकॉज द क्लाइंटल आई हैव, दे आर वेरी पर्टिकुलर, आई मीन उनको यही समझ में आता है या उनको वैसा ही चाहिए। So
yeah.
in India, like you have few foundations, but abroad, like you are free to design anything and everything.
Anything.
So
Yeah,
yeah, the bigger designer, like designers who are from foreign countries, they
yeah.
actually design everything. And generally, I should not say this, but yeah, few of you are following them blindly and you are just replicating things. But that is again okay. I mean, it's completely up to you and up to your client what exactly they are looking for.
डेफिनेटली।
Yeah.
टीना जी, मेजोरिटी ऑफ लोगों की ये थिंकिंग रहती है कि डिजाइनर वेयर आर वेरी मच कॉस्टली, सो एंड स्पेशली हम ब्राइडल वेयर की बात करें तो
ब्राइडल वेयर बहुत अलग सेक्शन है, बिकॉज आई केटर ब्राइडल अ लॉट। तो
Yeah.
ब्राइडल के लिए एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है कि लाइक हमें हैंडवर्क बहुत अच्छा देना होता है, वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ द सिलुएट्स, हमको फैब्रिक का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है, हम लोग कोई भी ऐसे फैब्रिक पे वर्क नहीं कर सकते। एंड देन डिपेंड करता है कि आपका फैब्रिक, आई मीन आपका कलर या आपका हैंडवर्क या आपने जो उसको कंप्लीट ग्रेस देना है वो किस लेवल पे देना है आपको। तो ऑब्वियसली लाइक आप, सिंपल सी बात है, जितना ज्यादा आपको चीज मतलब टेस्टी चाहिए आपको, यू हैव टू पुट मोर घी एंड
Yeah, definitely.
bride ko like she wants to look like best in her wedding, and like she wants to be a center of attraction, so we
Yeah.
have to work on that and we have to put some extra efforts in her outfit, so definitely it's going to be costly.
या बट नॉर्मल, अगर हम लोग नॉर्मल आउटफिट्स की बात करें तो है ना, उनको ऐसा लगता है कि डिजाइनर वेयर वैसे भी बहुत, मतलब उनके हाई चार्जेस होते हैं।
See, it depends. आपने अगर हम लोग एक सिंपल सी बात करते हैं कि अगर आप मेरे पास आए हैं और आप में
हाँ.
किसी ना, आप प्लीज कुछ ऐसा डिजाइन करिए जो किसी के पास नहीं है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सो आप
Yeah.
कस्टमाइज करवा रहे हैं, ठीक है, व्हेन
हाँ.
थिंग्स कस्टमाइजिंग, ऑब्वियसली इट गोना चार्ज यू हायर, बिकॉज आप ऐसा कोई पीस नहीं उठा रहे जो 15-20 या 50 की लॉट में पड़ा हो और वो आप जब बाहर जा रहे तो सभी पहन रहे, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लाइक व्हेन यू आर कस्टमाइजिंग समथिंग फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ, डेफिनेटली इट्स गोना कॉस्ट यू हायर, because it costs high to a designer also, because especially that working on your outfit only first.
Yeah.
And second, obviously if you're going to a designer, the designer will, I mean she will charge her, I mean her efforts also, like obviously
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
she's paying you the best, she's giving you the best, and she's giving you time and everything, she's like creating things, something new for you, so definitely the designing charges will be there, so you have
Of
to bear.
course.
Yes. And again the thing is like again comes to when we are customizing things, you always come with your no I don't want this fabric, I want this fabric, okay you can use this fabric, then I'll give the suggestion, okay we can
Yeah.
change this fabric, we can use the one you are asking for, and then wherever like we are settling down, it goes on little higher side, so yeah definitely designer clothes gonna be on higher side.
Yeah. Everyone wants the best design, but at
Exactly.
low price. Yeah. उनका mindset ऐसे होता है.
anything can happen. What happens, like one of my clients, she came to me and she was like, Tina, it's really okay, like ultimately like pictures should look good, you know, and
Yeah.
makeup should be like nice, and the color combination, if color combination is good, I mean, I'll be fine. I said, okay, fine. For the first time, I'm making something which you are asking for. I mean, I always put my, you know, efforts. I always give you my advice. Okay, supposingly, if you're coming to me, I will always tell you, okay, Deepa, don't go for this thing. We can try this thing. But
Yeah.
if you're saying this is the budget and this is the thing I want, then I made 2 or 3 outfits just like that for her, and she came up with the thing, Tina, no, there's no satisfaction after wearing those clothes, because I felt like it's not you.
Yeah.
So every designer has their own, you know, creativity.
Yeah.
So if you're going to a designer, just leave it on her.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. अच्छा टीना जी, आप जैसे ज्वेलरी डिजाइन्स भी करते हैं, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू एक्सेसरीज कितना इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है टू एनहेंस द ब्यूटी ऑफ आउटफिट?
See, my all outfits are such a way. I mean, I try to make such outfits so that like my jewelry goes well. If you're wearing a simple drape, a nice drape with closed neck or like deeper neck, even it is a deeper neck, we can go for choker, we can go for long neck piece, we can go for just, you know, matha patti, nice
Yeah.
ear, nice jhumkas.
Yeah.
So obvious, and my things are like on little bit oxidized things, so that gives you very classy look,
Okay.
very contemporary and very classy look. Yeah. So
Yeah.
what happens when you're wearing something really plain outfit, that stands out so well. Like you can see in my collection also, whenever
Yeah.
I'm doing also, like even there are few work, I try to put my jewelry that way, like that enhance the entire look of the outfit. I never try to kill the look of my outfit. I always try to maintain that thing. Yeah.
Definitely. And that's the best part of your outfits. तो टीना जी, वैसे मैं चाहती हूँ इस पे कुछ टिप्स भी दीजिए आप कि नॉर्मली अगर जब हम लोग कुछ भी आउटफिट वेयर करते हैं तो किस हिसाब से हमको एक्सेसराइज करना चाहिए, क्या आउटफिट के हिसाब से?
See, it should be according to outfit for sure. अगर आप ऐसा है, आप कुछ ब्लैक पहन रहे हैं तो आप उसके साथ कुछ एकदम कॉन्ट्रास्ट नहीं पहन सकते. I mean,
Yeah.
you can go for deep color. I mean, you can go for white also. You can go for
Okay.
oxide also. But आप बहुत ज़्यादा blingy पहन रहे हैं. It depends. Like आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं, आप किस
Yeah.
पार्टी में. So obviously, अगर suppose I'm wearing a black outfit, then I'll try to put something which has black thing, and I'll see कि कुछ copper dull color का उसके साथ match हो, because मेरे को outfit भी enhance करना है, right?
Yeah,
So
definitely.
skirts and with a nice neck piece or nice waist belt or nothing, like just, you know, earrings are nice earrings. So I'll try to blend things. I don't try to strike things. I mean, I don't wear something which is like you will take the entire, you know, attraction will be taken by just an earring. No, it will be like a subtle thing, very classy and very subtle, something
Yeah.
like that.
दैट्स ग्रेट, दैट्स ग्रेट. तो टीना जी, अभी जैसे बहुत सारी अपकमिंग डिजाइनर्स आ रहे हैं या बहुत सारे फैशन डिजाइनर्स सीख रहे हैं, तो आप उनको क्या गाइडलाइंस देना चाहेंगे?
See, designing, of course, I mean, if you are doing a course, obviously, like technically, you will be very sound. I'm not
Yeah.
a trained designer. Like I've just done 1 year course, so I'm not a trained designer. But the people who are doing these kind of courses, like 3 years courses, they're obviously very sound in techniques, right?
Yeah.
But the thing is, I would love to say one thing: designing is something which comes from your heart. I mean, creativity. That connect. I mean, if you'll see my collection, you will feel I have the connection with my each and every outfit. So it comes from your heart. It comes from your imagination. It comes from your creativity. How creative you are. So it's all about your skills. It's all about your skills. Skills can't be learned. You can progress in that thing, but it can't be learned. So
Definitely.
you can learn it, but if you're learning some technical thing, you can apply your techniques and your skills. So the technique and skills will obviously make a wonder. So I'm pretty sure the one who is doing all these courses, they're going to be like a great future for India.
Yeah, that's great and absolutely you are saying absolutely right. ये बहुत सारी upcoming designers है ना इस पे ध्यान देंगी. So टीना जी, जैसे आपने एक फैशन शो किया था स्पेशली एसिड अटैक सर्वाइवर के साथ, and it's really very heart touching to me. So I personally want to know the experience कि कैसा रहा उनके साथ आपका experience?
See, it was fantastic. because the thing is, I've never come across to such people in my entire life, right?
Yeah.
I'm sure not even you. I mean, a lot of
Yeah.
people untouched. But when I met these people, I was like, I was wondering how. I mean, actually, it came to my head like why they are alive, and then it was like, oh my god, how can they smile?
Yeah.
And next question was, oh my god, after this kind of body, they are still happy. So I was like, I was questioning myself every minute, every second, and when I was giving them trial, I was in tears because I couldn't see a girl who was having dragging eye, मतलब आंखें गिरी हुई है उसकी, and the eyeballs were not there. She's partially blind, and
Oh.
her I mean, and still she's smiling. So I was just looking at me and I was thanking God, like it was not enough actually. And I was saying, ki, my God, we have everything and still we are, sometimes you are depressed, sometimes you are off mood, sometimes you are, I don't know. I mean, this is something. And after seeing these females, after meeting these females, I was so inspired. I can't even tell you, the one who was like guiding these girls. Even she was a victim, but still she was having so much courage. She is having so much courage, and she was like, oh, absolutely fine, absolutely normal, and she was ready to accept the life the way it was. That was the beauty of their own life, and that was the beauty of their mindset. I mean, I was really impressed, and it was really heart touching. I must say, I was completely in tears.
Oh, वाह। तो ये कैसे आइडिया आपके माइंड में आया कि मैं इनके साथ करूं?
फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, हम लोग एक ब्यूटी पेजेंट कर रहे थे, और हम लोग वहाँ पे एक बंदी थी, गीता जी लाइक शी प्रिपेयर्स फीमेल्स फॉर फेमिना मिस इंडिया, so she
Okay.
found coach. So she came to us and she was like, okay, why don't we do something for someone? It was not decided, and then we were just sitting and we were just, I mean, trying to figure out what should we do. And suddenly there was a female. She was she was in touch with these kind of these females, the acid victim. And then she gave the idea, okay, let's do it this way. And I was really happy because see, sometimes what happens, there were other designers also, I can't reveal the names, and they're renowned designers of India, and they refuse to give their clothes to these females. So and there, but I really wanted to do something because I always wanted to be a pilot or army officer. So that patriotic thing is always there in my head every time, and it's on a higher side. So when I
Great,
got this
great.
opportunity, I immediately grabbed it, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it.
You are seriously doing excellent job, excellent work. So, टीना जी, जैसे कि है ना, आप पुणे वॉरियर्स टीम, टेनिस टीम की ओनर भी हैं, एंड लास्ट ईयर आपने इसकी चैंपियनशिप की ट्रॉफी भी जीती है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर दैट.
Thank you so much.
सो फैशन इंडस्ट्री में से स्पोर्ट्स में जाने का कैसे शिफ्ट हुआ आपका?
See, sports is. I'm a sports person. I've represented my Rajasthan in nationals also. I've represented my city in state level also. So sports is always a part of my life. Like I still want to do something, and I wanted to do something. So when I got this opportunity, I travel a lot in Bombay, right? So I have
Okay.
good contacts in Bombay. So I was just invited for first season. The tennis Premier League, and people were just chit-chatting like, let's increase the team because it's giving a nice response. So somebody came up with the idea, and then I was like, okay, this is the thing I really love to do it. And
Yeah.
I just said yes, and I just started my journey in this.
Okay, and the wonders begin.
God is great.
So, जैसे कि टीना जी, सोनाली बेंद्रे आपकी ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है आपकी टीम की,
Yeah.
and she is a cancer survivor,
Yes.
and she is definitely inspiration for all of us. So, उनके साथ इंटरेक्शन करके कैसा रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस?
See, it was fantastic because she's a sweetheart. I mean, she's very down to earth, and no tantrums, nothing. She's very sweet, and the best part about her is like after chemotherapy, when I was talking to her, she was like very easy going female, and she was very easy to tell about her own self. Okay, Tina, now I have a issue with hearing because after chemo I got this side effect, and she's able
Oh.
to. I mean, she's that sweet. I mean, she's very simple female, yeah. And yeah, she was there throughout there for my team, and even in fact, I was telling her, Sonali, can you please sit for a while, just stay. I mean, stay. I mean, avoid crowd and everything. And she was like, okay, no, it's okay. I'll manage. And I was so happy. I mean, she was so Antu, and no, we should win.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
she was.
definitely. उन्होंने मतलब आफ्टर कैंसर सर्वाइव इतना अपना जल्दी फिर से कैरियर भी स्टार्ट कर दिया. So it's a great example for everyone.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah.
Amazing, yeah.
Yeah. तो टीना जी, आप तो जैसे है ना फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में भी काफी सारी सेलिब्रिटीज के साथ भी काम कर रही हैं, तो उनके साथ भी कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है?
अमेजिंग था, अच्छा था काफी. इनफैक्ट उन लोगों के लिए कुछ नया था, मुझे बहुत वो हो गया था. आई वाज वेरी यंग. आई मीन आई वाज फॉर देम आई वाज वेरी यंग
Okay.
doing a show with them. So these people were like, okay, तुम नई designer हो, you know, it takes time. It
Yeah.
takes. But once I have done 2 big shows with them, and I was the only designer in India in 2018 who have walked like 64 celebrities on one ramp.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So, but yeah, if I'll tell you the backstage story, it was fantastic because what happens in working with these people, I mean, they don't come for trials, you know, so everything is on. Oh my god. So they just come before shows, they take trial, and like if they are fine they'll walk, otherwise they will refuse. Okay, Tina, I'm not going to wear your outfit, I'm going to be with in my outfit and I'll just walk around. And you can't say much because obviously it's about their comfort also, because
Yeah.
they ask, they have name, you know, so I have to take care of that thing also. So somebody came with the thing, okay, I'm not going to wear your outfit, and I was really cool. I was like, okay, fine, don't wear my outfit. The only thing is you should be comfortable. I'm fine with that. I can
Yeah,
take it.
definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, I took it, and trust me, the best part about the show was when everybody was ready. We were backstage, and like Jitendra sir was there, then Ramesh Sippy sir was there, Sanjeev Kapoor sir, then Rohit Bal. I mean, a lot of people were there, Rohit Roy, and all were there.
Yeah.
So this guy, Ravi Behel,
Yeah.
he's a very dear friend of mine, but he used to wear my outfit because
Yeah.
he's like, no, Tina, it's really end moment and I won't be able to wear your outfit. I was like, okay, relax, you just take it easy.
Yeah.
And then they chit chatting because backstage, you know, the atmosphere becomes really, you know, easy and chill out kinds, because after wearing your clothes you are fine. So
Yeah.
we were just doing things, and then we started talking, and I was just talking and everybody was listening.
Yeah.
So, you know, became, I mean, I was so comfortable, and I was enjoying those moments. So yeah, it was fun. And then I worked as a showstopper for my own show.
Oh, wow, that's great.
I worked with Jitendra sir, and it was fantastic. It was fun.
Wow. Even I should personally suggest you कि आप खुद भी modeling start कर सकती है, and you can try and win in same industry too, यार. Because God has blessed with you beauty, and so beauty with brain you are. So.
But no, I'm happy with my work. I'm doing good in this, touchwood, by God's grace.
So टीना जी, next 5 years में आप खुद को कहाँ देखना चाहती हैं?
Oh God, no plans. Plans are there, but still I will say, designing in. If you're talking about designing thing, definitely I'll be like globally. Like I'm going to take my brand globally. I've started working in US, London, Dubai. So yeah, plans are there, but it's too early to say something because this Corona has changed all, you know, everything. So few plans were there. That's only I was about to crack a big deal, but I think it will take time. So yeah, but for sure, like within 5 years, it's going to be global. The Ranka is going to be global. Yeah.
Okay. So मैं एडवांस में विश कर देती हूँ, ऑल द बेस्ट. सो टीना जी, कोई ऐसे स्पेशल ड्रीम है आपका? कोई स्पेशल ड्रीम? कि हाँ ये मुझे हासिल करके रहना है अपनी लाइफ में?
फील करते रहना है वैसा तो शायद मतलब एवरी टाइम आई ड्रीम समथिंग, एवरी टाइम आई फॉलो समथिंग, एवरी टाइम आई गो, आई मेक न्यू गोल्स फॉर मी. But the thing is, for me, peace of mind, is more important. Growth of mind is more important. So I'm trying to divert myself in meditation a lot. So
वाओ.
yeah, so I'm a dancer. I'm a dancer. I do belly dance. I do like Kathak. I do a lot of dance forms. So dance is the form of getting the peace. For me, dance is the way I get the peace, and meditation is now the another thing. So yeah, I really want to do something in meditation. Like I want to be I want to be a speaker. So hopefully people will be there to listen.
Oh wow. So I'm giving the chance, I'm giving the platform, let's speak something. Yeah, some inspirational words, please.
Okay, sure. See, I just lost my mom. It's not even been like 1 month, right?
Yeah.
She was like, she's a, I will not use was. She's a pillar. She's everything. She's a strength. She's everything for me. So I really want to tell this thing to everybody. Please take care of your parents. If you have your parents with you, you are the blessed person. Money, fame, strength. I mean, these not going to be long lasting, but parents is.
Yeah, definitely.
So
There
please
is
respect,
no.
give them the best life. Whatever you can do for your parents, just do it. I mean, don't think even for a second के okay मैं ये नहीं कर पाऊंगी. You can do it. If you think good, you will do it. So just do it. I mean, sacrifice. I'm not saying sacrifice. Like I'm just saying, surrender your life to your parents. They'll make it beautiful. They'll make it beautiful.
Definitely, definitely. ओके टीना जी, अभी मैं कुछ रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चंस आपसे करूंगी.
Okay.
Okay, so be ready. Okay. Any fashion trend which you can't stand?
Can't stand.
हाँ. Any fashion trend?
Maybe like very revealing clothes. I won't be able to carry it out.
Oh. Is it?
Yeah.
It's surprising. It's surprising.
I've never wear such clothes. Never.
Yeah.
I never wear.
Oh. And one change you want to see in this fashion world?
Give fair chance to people who are newcomers. Yeah.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
And any celebrity for whom you want to design?
I want to decide.
For whom you want to design?
Okay. To design. I want to design for Chris Evans.
Wow, that's great.
He's my favorite.
Oh. और अगर आप डिजाइनिंग फील्ड,
if you're talking about Bollywood, then definitely Priyanka Chopra.
Oh, she is stunning. ओके अगर आप फैशन कैरियर में नहीं होते तो
Army officer.
कौन सा कैरियर? आर्मी ऑफिसर. Oh wow. Is it?
In army or maybe fighter pilot.
Oh. On one do and don't for fashion followers.
Do follow me, please. Do love me every time, and please do guide me every time. Yeah.
Okay, and don't
hurt anybody. Don't hurt anybody.
That's great. That's great. So lastly, है ना टीना जी, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप स्पेशली वुमेन्स के लिए कोई स्पेशल मैसेज दीजिए.
See, frankly speaking, I never believe in this thing, just women and just women, frankly speaking. Because somebody told me you should say something for females. But nowadays, females, everybody is strong enough. The only thing is strength comes from here.
Yeah.
So if you're female, even if you're male, I think stand tall for your own self. Whatever you are deciding, just be determined, hard work karo, be focused, and things are fine with you. I mean, things will be fine with you, things are fine with you. So be strong. If it is your dream, you are only one who is responsible to fulfill it. Don't look for or don't seek for help here and there. I think be strong, be strong. That's the only thing I can say.
बट एंड स्पेशली इन वुमेन्स के क्या होता है कि वो है ना अपना स्टैंड अप नहीं कर पाती हैं, मतलब अपने लिए स्टैंड नहीं ले पाती हैं.
Be strong. That's what I'm saying. अगर
Yeah.
until आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि आपका स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, आप कैसे स्टेप लेंगे? जब तक आप, मुझे ही नहीं पता है कि मैं सपोज एक ओशन है, मैं आई एम नॉट एबल, आई डोंट नो आई विल बी एबल टू स्विम और नॉट until and unless I go inside, right? तो आपको अपनी स्ट्रेंथ के बारे में ही नहीं पता है तो आप कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो कलेक्ट योर स्ट्रेंथ, अंडरस्टैंड योर स्ट्रेंथ एंड प्लीज वर्क ऑन इट एंड डोंट क्विट. छोटी मोटी चीजों के लिए आप क्विट मत करिए, छोड़िए मत किसी चीज को. इट्स रियली ओके टू बी फेल, बट इट इज रियली नॉट ओके टू गिव अप थिंग्स, राइट?
डेफिनेटली. एंड सब वुमेन्स अपना कैरियर सेक्रीफाइस करती है बिकॉज ऑफ फैमिली लाइफ की वजह से.
See, that is again okay if it is giving you satisfaction. See, I tell you one thing, it is really okay to, be at home, not to do anything, don't earn anything, if you are happy.
Okay.
See, आप fame लेके क्या कर लेंगे? You will be happy after gaining fame, right? So, if you are happy at home also, that is again okay, but you should be happy from within. आप दिखावे के लिए या मैंने ये sacrifice कर लिया, stop saying that. अगर आप ऐसा बोलते हैं, then start something or think something else for yourself. So if you are okay, I mean, I'll be okay if I'm at home. लेकिन मैं खुश होनी चाहिए. That's the major thing for me. I should be happy from inside, within. That's it.
तो टीना जी एक्चुअली मैं ये पूछना चाहूँगी, मुझे बहुत थोड़ा सरप्राइज लगा है कि जैसे एज यू से कि अभी आप मेडिटेशंस वगैरह में इन्वॉल्व होना चाहती है. सो यू आर फॉलोइंग एनी गुरु एंड ऑल?
नहीं, मैं किसी गुरु को फॉलो नहीं करूँ. मैं श्री श्री रविशंकर जी का मैंने एक कोर्स किया है और तो भी आई हैव स्टार्टेड, but I think I want to look, I want to search something. I don't know what. I don't know मेरी कहाँ पे लेके जाएगी, but I'm right now I'm clueless. मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है, but I've just started and I'm trying to be very calm from inside. मुझे पहले अपने आप को बहुत शांत करना है. शांत in the sense विचार है या emotions है, उनको मुझे पहले अपने आप में control करना है. And I want to start something new in the sense what I feel. I don't want to follow. बड़ी रीजन इज लाइक मैं उनको फॉलो करके या तो उनका एक्सपीरियंस ले सकती हूँ या उन्होंने उनके पेरेंट्स से क्या सीखा या उनके बड़ों से क्या सीखा, आई कैन लर्न दैट थिंग. लेकिन मैं कब खुद एक्सपीरियंस करूंगी इन चीजों को? तो आई वांट टू एक्सपीरियंस एवरीथिंग एंड आई वांट माय थिंग्स फॉर माय सेल्फ. आई डोंट वांट एनीवन एल्सेस थिंग्स फॉर माय सेल्फ. आई मीन वो आपका जर्नी है, वो आपका एक्सपीरियंस है, वो आपने जिया है, तो आपका जिया हुआ मुझे नहीं समझ में आ सकता है. तो to do things by my own, matlab it is really okay if I'll not reach somewhere, but at least I will start my journey by my own, for my own self. So that's the idea.
Very well said. टीना जी, बट आज आप इतनी सक्सेसफुल बन चुकी हैं, एक है ना, मतलब है ना, आपको फेम मिल चुका है, यू बिकम अ सक्सेसफुल. सो उसके बाद आपको लगता है कि जो एक आप इनर पीस की बात करते हैं कि लोग जनरली आजकल भाग रहे हैं फॉर फेम, फॉर मनी, फॉर सक्सेस, तो क्या उससे इनर पीस हासिल हो जाती है?
It 100% डिपेंड करता है, completely डिपेंड करता है कि आपका इनर पीस किससे है. Getting it? I know few people like जिनके लिए ब्रांड्स अगर आप कैरी नहीं करते हो तो यू आर नॉट लकी इनफ. तो मुझे लोगों ने ये भी बोलता है, अरे टीना तू तो ब्रांड कैरी ही नहीं करती है. That doesn't give me peace. That doesn't give me happiness. So it's really okay if I'm not, carrying a brand. I'm brand in my own self. For me, for myself, like I'm really okay with, the things which gives, like which are materialistic. I'm really okay if I'm away with that thing. But the thing is, it depends. It completely depends, like where you get your peace of mind. I mean, few people get it in fame. Few people get it in money. People like me who are really happy at home, like I can sit at home. But yeah, I will not stop working because work is my passion. Getting it, I'm pursuing my passion, but my peace of mind is different. That doesn't give me peace. That doesn't give me, kick. So my work is like I love doing my work. That take out what I imagine, what kind of person I am. So if you'll see my outfits, you will get to know okay what kind of person I am. But my own personality, my own heart, my mind, my soul says, this is just give you, satisfaction, not peace. So peace. It depends. Completely okay if you are finding peace in earning money. It's you.
Yeah.
Come on, it is really, yeah.
सो टीना जी, जब आप है ना, जैसे आपको इतने सारे अवार्ड्स मिल चुके हैं, नेशनल एक्सेलेंस अवार्ड, भारत आइकॉन अवार्ड्स, तो यू फील सेटिस्फाइड कि हाँ, एज ए डिजाइनर के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये रहता है कि हाँ, उनकी डिजाइनिंग के लिए कि उनको अवार्ड्स मिले. सो व्हाट योर फीलिंग्स?
सबसे अच्छी बात मैं बताती हूँ, जब मैंने काम शुरू किया था, आई नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड एनीथिंग.
ओके.
अगर मैं कुछ लूज भी कर देती हूँ तो भी मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, और मुझे कोई कभी कुछ मिल भी जाता है कि people start recognizing my work, I feel good, undoubtedly, but that doesn't hit my head. It's really okay if I get
That's the great part. That's the great part.
I mean, I'm really happy when people come to me and they tell me कि okay टीना, तेरे साथ बैठ के 2 घंटा चिट चैट कर सकते हैं. Even my clients are this way. Like they come to me, they stay with me, we are chit chatting, they are sharing their things. That's more fun for me. So yeah, that gives you happiness. That gives you the sense of recognition. But the thing is, it's not everything. So it is okay. I mean, it is okay if you're doing good, you will get it. ठीक है. Or if you not do it, you will not get it. It's just that. Or nowadays, like awards are like, you must have heard के awards के लिए होना चाहता है.
Seriously. So thanks, Tina ji, for coming on my show. And the very important thing which I learned today from you is just follow your passion and give your 100%. Success will definitely knock your door. So thanks a lot for sharing such an inspirational experience with us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for calling me here. Yeah.
In 1994, सुष्मिता सेन won the title of Miss Universe. And जो आउटफिट उन्होंने उस वक्त कैरी किया था, आपको पता है, वो एक कर्टन क्लॉथ में से बना हुआ था. एंड जो ग्लव्स उन्होंने पहने हुए थे, वो एक सॉक्स में से बने हुए थे. But then also she won because she knew how to carry the outfit with confidence. आप चाहे 500 रुपए का ड्रेस पहनो या 5000 का, it doesn't matter. बट आप उसको कैसे कैरी करते हैं, इट मैटर्स. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई शो. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.